to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. And today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by a fabulous lady here on YouTube, and that is Saving Mrs. V, and it is the Summer Bathroom Vignette Challenge. And in this collaboration, all she asked us content creators to do was to show a bathroom refresh or makeover for the summer, and you had to have your items on a tray. Well, all of my items are not on a tray, but some of them are. So we'll go ahead and we'll take a closer look. I have these herons that I picked up from Joann's. You saw those in my summer coastal home tour, or not home tour, my summer coastal coffee table collaboration. If you missed that, I'll leave a link in the video down below. This coral I picked up from the at-home store. This silver candlestick, it always stays here. I don't have a candle on it. I need to put one there, but I have not yet. That came from, I want to say TJ Maxx or Home Goods. Below we have our tray. It is a GLAM tray that I picked up from Home Goods. Inside I have some succulents, and I have a reed diffuser to freshen up the area. I also have a little crab. I think he's so cute, just hanging out over here in the corner. Over here I also have a starfish. I picked that up from Hobby Lobby. To complete the overall look, I just have an abstract painting at the top, and this is how that is looking for the summer. My home is done in a coastal summer decor for the summer, or my home is done in coastal decor for the summer. So this bathroom refresh or vignette goes along with the other items in my home. Here you will see I have a GLAM mirror, and that always stays up, but I just like the look that it gives the bathroom. Just glam and sophistication. Over in this corner I have a tray, and the tray has some more items that I think are coastal decor. These came from Z Gallery, although I have used them during the winter time as snowballs, but they're actually, I think, like sea urchins or some type of sea creature. And then down below we have our holder with our toilet paper. And then above I have ledges that have these succulents, also to give it a summery vibe, a summery feel. So that is what we have going on for the summer. I just love the coastal style and the coastal look. So that is how we have decorated our bathroom for the summer. Just so you know, this over here is how the sink looks. We have our clear soap dispenser. We have our napkins that we picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I keep them here so guests can wipe their hands after they have gone to the restroom. On this side we have our towel. It's more of decoration, not really for people to use. I picked that up from Joann's. And we also have another type of abstract print. Don't mind my lamp, one of the bulbs has gone out, so I need to replace it. But this is how my powder room is looking for the summer. So I would like to thank V from Saving Miss V for hosting this collaboration. I will leave a link for her channel as well as a link of the playlist below of all the participants. If you like what you see and it is your first time here, my name is Cheryl. I love all things home decor. If you also like decorating your home with style on a budget and saving a lot of money, hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family for more content. So that is all we have for you today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I hope you stay blessed, stay well, stay prayed up. We will all get through these days together, and hopefully there will be an end to it all very soon. So I hope you guys have an awesome day, and remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.